Nerissa. So lots of troubles at Toyota. So that's why I guess people are looking at alternatives. How do you benefit from Toyota's woes, right? And you're looking more closely at Hyundai Motors.
Yes, Hyundai has been gaining market share in the U.S. as a result of Toyota's problems, and so we have added to that position recently. And of course, this yesterday's news was unfortunate that Hyundai's new launch in its new model Sonata has to be recalled due to some problems. And this is coming on the heels of Toyota. And but the good news is only 1,300 cars have been sold of that model. And I think the problem is insignificant because the problem seems to be with a door latch, which is, I think,
very different from an accelerator throttle electronics problem, maybe.
Which is not, going to cause any injuries.
Well, what about valuations at this point? Because I spoke recently to someone, Koji Endo, who used to be a credit analyst, an equities analyst specializing on car shares, and he says Toyota is a buy, considering it's down near 3,000 yen.
Yes, well, I do not invest in Japan, so I'm no expert on Japanese equity markets. But yes, definitely, the stock has corrected 25%.
Yes.
In a month, since the announcement of recalls. So actually it's stabilizing.
Yeah, but
at the current
Hyundai's
level.
Pretty cheap, isn't it? I'm looking at those price to earnings ratios.
Absolutely so attractive in terms of valuation and growth, because we're seeing market share growth every month.
Right. Fantastic. There you go. Now, what about the auto space? And talk about the Chinese automakers, since you don't cover Japan. I guess we have to go elsewhere. Yes. What about Great Wall Motor? You continue to like this stock,
yes,
is that right?
It has been my top pick since a year ago. We like it because it is in the area which is benefiting from government policy, subsidies, because they produce cars that are less than 1.6 liter and that are very, very affordable. So they not only benefit from government policy, but also from a rising the rising affluence.
Did you say they make cars below 1.6 liters? Is that right?
Yes, they are in the
But don't they make SUVs? They're known for their SUVs and their Jeeps.
True. But, passenger cars still account for almost 80% of sales in China, of total vehicle sales.
Okay.